is Cindy and I'm so excited because today it's our first video about all this latest car care, and I'm just so happy because today we're gonna give you more information about just the basic information to know your car, because if you have a car you need to know your car, right? I remember when I started driving, I didn't know anything about cars. But thank God I married my husband, Irving, and that's why he's here today, because he's gonna help us to know just the basic information that we need when it's time to take our car to maintenance, or just to know our basic information, right, Irving?
Yes, and hi, ladies. All right. Okay. When someone called the shop here, the business, and they want a quote, first thing I ask is, what kind of car do you have? And you might be surprised. A lot of people, they don't know what they're driving. So first thing I ask is your make and model, and a lot of people, they don't know how to find that information. So I point them in the right direction, and that's what I'm gonna do with you right now. First thing, you got two paperwork on your glove box, which is your vehicle, your registration, and your insurance policy. With these two paperwork, you will able to see the VIN number. Let me get this. It's right here, that long number right there. With that number, if you give it to the mechanic, they will be able to know what kind of car do you have. Second, there is on the door the same number right here, and this is sticker right here. You see this these bold letters right here. This is the VIN number, and there's all the information, engine size, even what color it is, everything. There's also here in the corner the year of the car. All right, what do you need that? Okay, very simple, because we need to know what you're driving, what's the engine size. We need to know what is the oil specification for your vehicle, for anything that that you call for. Let's say it's AC, whatever you need. We need that information for us to give you the right quote. Let's say you don't need to bring your car to the repair shop, but you need a light bulb. All right, you need the same information, because you're gonna call the auto parts, and they're gonna ask you the same thing. What kind of car you're driving, and with this information they will be able to give you the right part. All right, so it's very simple. I think it's not complicated at all. Anyone can do it, and if not, just give me a call, and we'll be able to we were more than happy to help you out.
Yeah, or you have any questions or comment and you're not in this state, or you're not close enough, you can comment down below and we will be happy to answer you. Remember, this is going to be a very safe place that you can ask questions and we'll be answering you, because the point of this group or this YouTube channel is just to give you information, just to give you content. It's not just to sell you anything. It's because God put in our hearts just to help you out. And all the women out there, I mean, believe me, sometimes it sounds scary about cars, but this is a basic information that will help you out in case of an emergency or something that you need for your car. So stay tuned for more information next week. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for being there.
God bless you. Take care.
Bye-bye.